over 160 paddlers out on the water right now. In lane 1, Khmer Angkor Wat. In lane 2, Canoe of Cornelia. In lane 3, Wat Lao Chapadama. In lane 4, Mekong Dragon. In lane 5, LCKC Dragon. In lane 6, Charlotte Fury. In lane 7, Seiko Tananu. And in lane 8, Jackson EMC. High potential for fast speeds and also some collisions out there on the course today. We'll hope for lots of the former, but not much of the latter. I've just been informed that a gentleman has lost his keys somewhere on the venue. If you find a pair of keys that seem to have wandered away from their owner, if you could please take them to the first aid station. Thank you.
You're going to push him, and he's going to push me.
Actually, I'm going to pull it.
Okay,
this is going to be so fun.
Where's our ball?
5.
It's the break.
No. No, it's really dark green in that. It's the 4th one coming out.
These are all my people. Never forget. Let's take it down. 5 or 2. This, okay. Oh, great. John over.
Wow.
What?
What happened?
Farron! Stop!
The suspense, they're killing it.
What happened?
You're not getting punished.
We're in timeout.
Down to the far dock.
And we have an official start. This one's for all the marbles, folks. This is the last 80 final. The 8 fastest teams out on the water right now. And they are blazing away from the starting line. Right now, it looks like the early lead belongs to the LCKC Dragons. Nobody is going to be too far ahead of any others. Even as I say that, lane 4, the Mekong Dragons are giving LCKC a run for their money. And we've had a capsize in lane 2. Canoe of Cornelia is out of the race, as is Wat Lao Chapadama, who's turning apparently the open. Crossing the finish line, LCKC, Mekong Dragon, and Charlotte Fury, first, second, and third.
You're supposed to be the fun out there.
Safety boats, there are a lot of people in the water up at the 100-meter mark.
Hey, there's a flipper.
All right, get the bailers.
One last